Hello judges, it's me Juan, and I'm thrilled to introduce to you the lovely woman next to me, Miss Christine.
Hello.
Together, Christine and I will be entering in the pigmentation category. And after discussing her skin concerns, we have decided that our goals for this 8-week case study will be to even the skin's tone and fade hyperpigmentation. Christine has tried treating her skin with prescription hydroquinone and professional laser treatments, and I am so excited to be taking over with a more holistic, plant-based approach. Christine's skin type is dry combination, and she is a Fitzpatrick 3. She is experiencing various hyperpigmentations, most likely due to a combination of hormonal changes and years of sun exposure. I will be treating Christine's skin with a corrective series of Glycolic Peels, a Spicule Peel, and a fabulous array of melanin inhibitors and botanical skin brighteners. Christine's comprehensive at-home care routine has been provided by our wonderful sponsor, Repechage, and will mirror the professional treatments we do together. We'd like to thank Repechage for their generosity and partnership on this journey. Thank you, judges, and the Skin Games. We look forward to sharing our results with you. Thank you.